Hello there! In this video, I want to talk about a new donation platform that the Stride game engine is using for its donations. So in the past, Stride has been using Patreon and GitHub sponsors for its donations. However, in the recent community meeting of October 1st, 2021, it became apparent that these donation platforms don't really suit all of our needs. Especially, GitHub sponsors and Patreon don't really show where the money is going. So to solve this, we've been looking at different platforms that allow us to communicate more openly on our expenses and where money will be spent on. So after some investigation and various registration and other formalities, we can now say goodbye to Patreon, as Stride will from now on use the Open Collective platform for its donations. So Open Collective is kinda similar to other sponsor platforms like Patreon, but it sticks out in the way it openly displays payments and expenses. Everything about it is open for everyone to see. And this, of course, is right in line with the nature of an open source project. Through various tiers, people can sponsor the Stride game engine in any way they want to. Each tier has their own rewards. Some tiers, for instance, will have the reward that users are shown on the Stride website as a thank you. This is still being worked on, so keep that in mind. We also needed a good way to deal with payments towards contributors and any tax-related activities that come with it. So Open Collective allows the Stride Collective to join a so-called fiscal host. The fiscal host takes care of all of these tax-related and payment activities for us, for a percentage of the money contributed. So after some communication and verification on the Stride GitHub repository, we are now officially connected to the Open Source Collective, which you can see on the Open Collective page here. The Open Source Collective is a fiscal host, and it has a wide variety of other open source projects that it hosts and thus takes care of its finances for it. For instance, Vue.js, Open Broadcaster software, which I'm using to record this video right now, and the list is pretty big with other projects like Babel, Bootstrap, and Webpack. So back to our Stride Game Engine Collective page. So every payment made to a contributor will always show up on the Stride Open Collective page. We scroll down, we can see that donations that are being made, that they will show up as a financial contributor. As you can see here, I've made a test donation on my personal account to the Stride 3D Open Collective page. A Stride contributor can, at any given moment, submit an expense report. This could be an invoice or a reimbursement to the Stride Game Engine Open Collective page, and the admins can decide whether this money is being paid out to that individual. The Stride contributors team has the final call where all the collected money will be allocated to. This will be done with the help of projects. This Open Collective feature acts as a sort of ledger where money can be stored until the time comes to pay the contributor or contributors of a project. A project can have its own tiers and goals. These projects could be all sorts of things: new engine features, research on new technology, high priority bugs, or documentation. These kind of projects will be discussed at community meetings to get input from the Stride community. As an example, I've added this intermediate tutorials project as a goal for the community to donate on. This will open up a new page, and you can see new tiers and even goals to make certain projects happen. People can always choose to donate to a specific project rather than the Stride Collective in general, if they want to do so. So if you only want to see your money being used for a specific cause, a feature, or a bug fix, you are completely free to do so. You're more than welcome to do both, of course. The Stride website has also been updated to feature the new donation buttons, as well as a new sponsor page where all sponsors will end up depending on the tier they have selected. So what's next? We first want to see how this first month of the new platform goes. At the end of November or beginning of December, we will hold a new community meeting and we will discuss how things went and how we plan on distributing the donations. There are also some remaining tasks regarding the Open Collective that will also be taken care of in the weeks to come. Thanks for your attention, and hop on over to the Stride Game Engine Collective page to show your support.